Next chapter 3, more about numbers. Topics to cover: factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, test of divisibility, prime factorizations. The next one is highest common factor. The next one least common multiple. The last one is properties of HCF and LCM. First one, 3.1, factors and multiples. The number that divide a given number exactly are called its factors. Properties of factors. Every natural number can be divided exactly by 1. It means 1 is the factor of every number. The second one, every natural number can be divided exactly by itself. It means any number is a factor of itself. Third one, the above properties imply that every natural number has at least 2 factors, the number itself and 1. Fourth one, 1 is the only natural number which has exactly 1 factor, namely itself. The next one, if two numbers A and B are factors of each other, then A is equal to B. A factor of natural number is always smaller than or equal to number itself. The last one, a number can be a factor of more than one number. Example, the factor number is 3. 3 is a factor of 3, 6, 9 and 12 and so on. Here 3 is the factor of these numbers. Next one, multiples. The numbers obtained by multiplying a given number by 1, 2, 3 and so on are called its multiples. Properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of each of its factors. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Third one, a number can be multiple of several different numbers. For example, 12. 12 is the multiples of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and so on. The multiples of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and so on. Last one, a multiple of natural number is always greater than or equal to the number itself. Next one, even and odd numbers. All multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Example, 4, 6, 8, 10. The next one, all the numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are all odd numbers. Perfect numbers. If the sum of all the factors of a number is 2 times the number itself, then the number is called the perfect number. For example, 1, 2, 3 and 6. The factors of this number is 6. Factors is 6. So here the perfect number, if the sum of all the factors of the numbers, so the sum of factors means 2 times itself, so 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. The perfect number is 12. Next, 3.2, prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a natural number that has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. Example, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These are the number itself, the factors of number itself and ones. 1 is the neither prime nor a composite number. Next, composite number. A composite number is a natural number that can be divided by a natural number other than the number itself and 1. For example, the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are the composite numbers. Types of prime numbers. Twin prime. Twin primes are a pair of prime numbers that differ from each other by 2. For example, the prime numbers differ from each other by 2, that is 3 and 5 are twin prime, 5 and 7 are twin prime. Next one is co-primes. Co-primes are numbers that do not have any common factors other than 1. For example, 9 and 10. Here the 9 factors is 1, 3, 9. 10 factor is 1, 2, 5 and 10. Here the common factor is 1. This is the co-primes. Exercise 3.1, 7th question. Which pairs of numbers are co-primes? The question is 54 and 33. Solution. First take the factors of 54. 54 factors is 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9, 18, 27, 54. Next 33 factors is 1, 3, 11 and 33. The co-primes are here the common factors of between two numbers. The common factor is 1, 1, 3, 3. The common factors of 1 and 3. Here the common factors of 54 and 33 is 1 and 3, and it is not a co-prime, because co-prime is having only one common factor, that is the co-prime. Here having two common factors, so it is not a co-prime numbers. Exercise 3.1 homework sum. 7. Which pairs of numbers are co-prime? First one 16, 23. Second one 11, 89. Third one 60, 100. 16th question. Write all the factors of, the question is 15. Solution. Write all the factors of 15. 15. 1 is the factor of 15. On 3, 5, 15. These are the factors of 15. Homework sum. 16th question. Write all the factors of 36, 60 and 75. Next 17th question. Write the first 5 multiples of. Question is 6. Solution. First 5 multiples of. So 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 6 into 3 is 18. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 into 5 is 30. So the answer is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. First 5 multiples. Homework sum. 17th question. Write the first 5 multiples of 10, 15 and 17. The next question, 18th question. Write all prime numbers between 30 and 40. In between the prime numbers are 31 and 37. Homework sum. 18th question. Write all prime numbers between 0 and 30, 40 and 80. The last one is 80 and 100. Balance sums are homework.